going on, everybody? This is Urban J Reviews, and today we're going to take a look at designing your bedroom for simplicity and efficiency. This is mostly for men, but women can watch too. Brought it to my bedroom here in Arizona, and I'm going to keep it simple but efficient, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, so let's be real. You won't spend a lot of time in your bedroom during the daytime. Mostly spend time in here at night. But I'm going to show you the nighttime mode also. Let's go ahead and get started and see what's in here. All right, so most of these products you can pick up on Amazon. There will be a link in the description below to pick these up right now. For most of these products, you can also go to Neiman Marcus, Target, wherever you like to go, you can pick any of these up. This right here is a Valet Box, right? So I have a lighter, I have some loose change right here, some Visine, a cell phone, a wallet. Underneath here I have just some other stuff like a mag light and whatnot. I have this comb here. You know, for 15 bucks, it's a pretty good organizer for your desk. Right here, I've got some stuff that I picked up on Amazon to hanging jewelry stand. It's pretty efficient. It's, you know, it's cheap, but it's pretty well made. And I've got my stuff that I got, you know, in South America from Peru and Brazil. Just some stuff. Sometimes I'll wear it, sometimes I won't, sometimes it's just decoration. I got this in Vietnam, but I do have candles. Like I said, I have my lighter available. Some of you will know what this is. This is a cigar box, whatever you keep in here related to that. If you smoke every day, that's on you. Me, I don't smoke every day. I keep it for a rare occasion. If I have someone over, you know, maybe they want to smoke and we will agree to smoke, assuming we all have a card. If they don't have a card, we can't smoke, right? Right here's an antenna. In this day and age, I watch mostly Netflix, YouTube, and you know, Hulu and all that stuff. So I don't really need cable TV, so I have an antenna, and that one's pretty sleek. I got that at Walmart. Here's the TV. One of the reasons why I hung this TV up is because I wanted this space. It was sitting on this, but I like it higher up here. Also, you know, because I'm sleeping over there, I don't have to put two pillows under my head to see it, so I like that idea. Okay, I have this right here, which I'll show you when I light it up. I'll light up the candles and an alarm clock. Okay, so I do have a mirror in here because when people come in here, they like to see themselves sometimes in front of a mirror. I have this chair in case someone else is in here and they want to sit. They don't have to sit on the bed only. So it's just extra seating. You get that for like $100 at Ross. This is a fake plant. I mean, you can get these anywhere. You can get them on Amazon or you can get them on Target, wherever you're, you know, whatever is closest to you, having some cologne and whatnot. And then if we come over here, you're going to need music, right? So just getting one of these speakers, I got this on Amazon. It's pretty good sounding speaker. It's got good quality. It's not quite JBL, but it's not quite as expensive. Having a globe, and then how are you gonna play your music? Well, I like to play it from an iPad instead of an iPhone because I like to be able to move around without my phone Bluetooth connectivity being affected. This right here is obviously a bonsai tree. It needs more light, but it's pretty easy. Wall art, you know, I don't have a lot of wall art in here. I could get a little bit more wall art, but I like that above my bed. And yeah, so, you know, I've got also some things that I wanted to comment on. I don't believe in letting my animals sleep on my bed, so I have a dog bed for my animals. I also have one of these wallflowers. This right here is an air wick. I'll post links to both of these the dog bed and the air wick air filter. The reason you want one of these air purifiers or scent wallflowers, if you want to call it that, is because you want your room to smell good. In terms of my bed, I just wanted to say, I use this quilt because in Arizona it gets really hot. No need to use like a down comforter in Arizona. It's just real thin. I got it at Bed Bath & Beyond. But another thing I would like to say is I do recommend a headboard, and I also think you should get a king-size bed. Most men, if you can have the room, having a king-size bed is the way to go because you want to be able to have that room in case you have someone come over and stay in your bed with you, right? So that's how I look at the bed situation. This right here, I got this at Ross for like $5. Keeps remote and coins, whatever I need to put in there. And then, as I said, Himalayan rock salt crystal is pretty good. And let me show you guys what it looks like at night in here. So these candles, the music over there with the iPad, the lava lamp, all creates kind of like a nice lighting, as well as this right here. You can get this for 10 bucks anywhere. I think you can even get it on Amazon. I'll try and get you the link below. But you know, at night, a little bit of light, not too much. No need to use lamps, and you could see it's pretty good. So now we'll move into the bathroom. By the way, guys, this house is, it's pretty nice. This is a master bedroom. It's nothing special. I mean, you can get this kind of house in Phoenix, Arizona for under $300,000 and own it. If you wanted to rent it, you could probably rent it for $1,200 a month. But anyway, so I have a bamboo. It's a live plant. I have another house plant, nothing special. Just things that I pick up, shells that I pick up from sea towns all across the world. If I don't pick them up off the ocean, I get them off the vendors who sell them. Rock salt lamp. I have Epsom salt. I personally like using bass because it helps my muscles soothe. It's hot, and Epsom salt is good. Being a former athlete, military, I like bass. Nothing wrong with that. So anyways, I do have another one of these rock salt lamps. I have this bin here. I got one of these for my kitchen, and it also happens to work really nicely for a bathroom. So my bathroom, you can see, is really simple. There's not too much going on in here. I mean, it looks like it's got more going on than it does, but it's practical, it's simple, it's not over cluttered, and that's how I like my room. So anyways, guys, if you guys like this video and you want to see more, subscribe to this channel, Urban J Reviews. I'm going to be doing a lot more reviews showing you guys all around my house, not just my bedroom. I've got a garden, I've got a man cave, I've got a home office. You know, we're spending a lot more time at home right now because of this pandemic thing. So you want your home environment to be comfortable and cozy. There's a lot of videos out there, and this is just my version of how I do it. So I decided to share this with you, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for liking this video, and drop a comment below letting me know if you want me to go into details about my closet, my bathroom, or anything in general. We'll see you guys.